Welcome to TotallyJewishTravel.com, your guide to the world's best Passover programs. Experience Passover in the land where it all began. From Jerusalem's ancient streets to the serene shores of the Dead Sea, celebrating Pesach in Israel is a journey filled with history, tradition, and profound meaning. For thousands of years, Jews have journeyed to Israel to celebrate the pilgrimage festivals, making the holiday even more meaningful. Passover programs across Israel offer everything you need: gourmet kosher meals, daily minyanim, inspiring lectures, and a vibrant holiday atmosphere, all while surrounded by Israel's rich heritage. Imagine a Pesach filled with relaxation and exploration, from the healing waters of the Dead Sea to luxurious spa treatments and beautiful hotel pools. Passover programs in Israel's top locations make it easy to unwind and reconnect with family and friends. Chol Hamoed offers the perfect chance to explore Israel's incredible sights. Hike Masada, visit nature reserves in Ein Gedi, or spend a beach day along the Mediterranean coast. Israel's sunny spring weather makes it ideal for outdoor adventures and cultural experiences. In Jerusalem, you can walk through ancient history with visits to the Kotel, the Old City, and the city's many museums. Across Israel, national parks and museums hold special family-friendly activities during Chol Hamoed, making it a perfect time for a family Pesach vacation. Whether you're staying by the beach, near Jerusalem, or in the tranquil hills, Israel's Passover programs offer luxury accommodations, comprehensive family programs, and strict kosher standards, ensuring a holiday filled with tradition, comfort, and ease. Passover programs in Israel create a festive atmosphere, with enriching lectures, engaging shurim, evening entertainment, and a welcoming environment. From kids' clubs to private Seders, each program caters to every member of the family. This Passover, connect with the spirit of Israel. Experience a holiday filled with meaning, beauty, and unity. Explore Passover programs across Israel on TotallyJewishTravel.com and plan a Pesach that brings tradition to life in unforgettable settings.